Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to show you how to properly unbox the new QN900C series TV from Samsung. This is one of their new 8K Neo QLED models. Our first step is going to be to cut through these two straps on the box, and for that we will use our trusty scissors. So that is how you properly unbox and install the pedestal on the 65-inch QN900C Neo QLED 8K TV from Samsung. Thanks as always for watching. Stay tuned because we will have a full overview on this one as well as some how-to videos coming up soon.